MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
So for sheet metal and fabricators, what do Hexagon Metrology do for measuring applications and parts like this?
Okay, well you can appreciate we've got over 5,000 products in our portfolio, so we've got many devices that can do it. But specifically, Hexagon bought into this technology, which is a white light scanning system, and this is designed specifically for measuring sheet metal. This has been in the market now for just over 12 months. It's one of our latest developments. It's called the qFlash.
Okay, and what does the qFlash do?
Well, effectively what we're doing is we're actually projecting a structured light onto the surface of the part. And as you can see here, we've got 3 cameras. And those 3 cameras are capturing the surface. But they're not just capturing the surface, they're also capturing the edge of the part and also the holes and edges. So what we're actually able to do is capture everything in one shot.
So let's use this as a typical application. What can you do with this? Can you measure the profiles, all the dimensions?
Absolutely. I mean, as you find today is that a lot of companies have actually got computer-aided design, so they've got the CAD for this, so you've got the known nominal. The beauty of that is that when you put obviously the structured light onto the surface, you get a colour map of the deviations, but then also you'll get all the deviations around the perimeter, the edges, the holes, the slots, and all sorts of things like that. So straight away, you can get all the data that you need in order to make an informed decision on whether the tool is right.
So if you didn't have one of these, how else could you do this?
Well, as I say, we do supply CMMs for doing that, but the CMM is kind of offline. Effectively, you'll have to take the part off the press, take it down to the CMM room, and it's not always available for you to actually do a measurement straight away. So you could be several hours, if not days, before you got a result. The beauty of this system is that because it's mobile and it's not really sensitive to vibration, we can actually have this sat next to the press. So as soon as a part comes off, we can do a quick inspection and give thumbs up to give production the full go-ahead to go full speed.
So if you have 5 or 6 press brakes next to each other, you can have one of these units and you can literally go from machine to machine, measuring the parts.
Exactly.
It's very impressive. Now, what are the stickers actually on here?
So you can appreciate that the part is obviously, at the moment, it's sat in your hand. With the sensor itself, it needs to have some reference data on there. So on this part, we might take a couple of images. So what we need to have is at least 4 or more common points where the 2 sets of data can stitch it together.
Okay, and how much does one of these cost?
Again, a lot of our customers these days are going on a contract rental, so typically something like this is around about £85 a day.
Wow, and then the saving? Well, we've spoke about
exactly,
that already.
The saving is ours, and again, a press shop that costs multiple millions to run, you know, it's minutes and it's paid for itself per day.
Excellent. It looks a fantastic product. Good luck with it.
Thank you. Cheers.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.